Hey guys, so today we're gonna be learning a little bit of Pygame, which is a library, or in more simple terms, it's a resource where people use and make code for other people to make their lives easier, and we call that a library. Now, this library, you need to install it. You could go to your terminal, and wait. And then you could say pip install Pygame, because that's the thing that we're going to use. And capital letters really matter. So it says pip command is not recognized. So I say Python 3. And then I say that again, pip install Pygame. Sorry. I'm in the wrong area. Pip install. Oh, sorry, it's terminal. Install Pygame. And now it's downloading Pygame, everything's happening. Remember, you have to first write Python 3, and then you have to write Pygame. But what's easier is you basically go here, you go to interpreter settings, and you'll see a big window here. And in the project interpreter, you're gonna see a little amount of files. I use AI frameworks, so these are just other files. But if you want to add something, you press a plus sign and then you write it. So NumPy is a very good library that people tend to use. There's something which Pygame, and there's an AI, there's assets, there's a controller where you could play on your controller. There's a lot of stuff like use. So you press install package and that's it. So you have to say import Pygame as Py. Now, to be assured that you're not getting anything, how do you say this? If the compiler doesn't understand Pygame, then there's gonna be a big red button, but right now there's yellow. So we're gonna say Pygame dot so we're gonna say Py dot init. Now what this does is that it initializes the library, meaning by it gets everything and it says that now the user is going to be utilizing every single command. And then after I have to write something such as, so if I want to set a display, I could say screen is equal to Pygame dot py dot display dot set mode, and we're gonna add another tuple inside here, and we're gonna write 800 by 600. Pretty simple. And done. Now, there's a lot of bugs in this, but if you want to actually, how do you say this? If you actually want it to be better, you actually have to put in a while loop. while. So I could say while true, pass, and it's there. Now it's going to be loading. Okay, now we need to actually use, so I have to say for for event in Pygame dot get sorry guys, for Py event dot get, if event dot type is equal to Pygame dot quit break. Now watch my previous videos and I'll link them here, but basically now our window's running. It's okay. I cancel it like this. Oh. What we're gonna do is say so if something's on, we have to see if it's running. So we could write a variable set with a boolean of value, true, and I could say while running. This actually is a good statement. I could say running is equal to false. So it doesn't matter if anything is going to happen. This will turn out like that. So I can go here and I could cancel it. And that's how you do it. We don't need the pass keyword anymore. And we could say, well, I've done this previously, but I'm doing it from scratch. So I just need a little time to compensate for everything. So if you guys know about RGB, about red, green, and blue, we could actually screen dot fill, and then we could say 0, 0, 0. And then the display is not working, which I intended it to not. I have to say Py screen you have to say Pygame dot display dot, oh, sorry for that, Py dot display dot update. And if you just wanna write it in a short form, we can. It's pretty simple. And then here I'm just gonna write pygame.display pygame.display.update. So I could just say here update. Now watch what happens. So this is black. That's good. What if I write 215 here? Okay, that's not supposed to be intended. One second. So where? So I could write 250 here. 250 here. And it's white. Whoa, that's so cool. And I could plan this by going to colors of the RGB pattern, and lo and behold, there's even numbers. So like a color like you know what? I like this color. So it's 176, 96, 26. Now let's see if we could get that. So 176, 96, and 26. And it's the same color, I suppose. Yeah. Pretty basic stuff, I would say. And this is only the starting of our Pygame library. And later I will be talking about AI frameworks, NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, and doing really cool things with them. But yeah, that's it.